waste not, want not, understanding, wasting time. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, wasting time. It's a phrase you might hear every day, but what does it really mean? Stick around as we break it down for you, so you can use it correctly in your conversations. Wasting time refers to the act of using time on unproductive or pointless activities. When we say someone is wasting time, we're suggesting that they could be using their time in a more valuable or efficient way. Let's put wasting time into context with some examples. Stop wasting time playing video games and finish your homework. She felt like she was wasting time in a job that wasn't leading anywhere. There are several synonyms you could use. Procrastinating, delaying or postponing something. Dilly-dallying, wasting time, especially by being slow or indecisive. Killing time, doing something unimportant to pass the time. Here are some tips to be more productive. Set clear goals for what you want to achieve. Break tasks into smaller, manageable parts. Limit distractions, like turning off unnecessary electronics. Prioritize tasks by urgency and importance. That's a wrap on wasting time. Remember, being mindful of how you spend your time can lead to a more productive and fulfilling life. We hope this video helps you make every second count. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language tips.